Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So in this video, we will see this type of questions where you need to add consecutive squares. If we see here, we have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, like we don't have any gap. In these kinds of questions, we just need to apply a formula, and that formula is 1 square plus 2 square up to so on n square, like 1 2 3 4 up to so on. N can be anything, like in this case n is 12. So the formula is n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, so in this case, our case, n is actually 12, right? So what is n plus 1? N plus 1 is 13. What is 2n plus 1? 2n plus 1 is 13 times sorry, 2 times 12 24 and then 25, right? 2n plus 1. So now we will just put it here. So n is 12 times 13 times 25 by 6. We will cancel this out. We got 2 times 13 is 26 times 25. And what is 26 times 25? It's 650. So this is our answer.